Hi and welcome to the Daily Market Commentary with me, Jan Muta, Chief Market Analyst for TIOmarkets. And first of all, please do remember that we don't provide investment advice. So pause the video, read through the disclaimer, and only proceed if you agree with the disclaimer. Before we go to the market news today, I want to share a couple of things of the analysis I have done lately. So in Monday's analysis, I was pointing to the American index futures trading near fairly close to supports and then bouncing higher. So I told my readers that we will be looking for long trade signals, and I gave some targets. And Wednesday, the markets moved to my target areas, almost touched my targets, but you could see that institutional profit taking was already taking place. So they were taking off some of the winnings, they were distributing their long positions, and I said at the time that now we will be looking for short trades. And basically I gave the levels below which I want to see the signals, and I gave the targets. Now after what happened with the FOMC yesterday, institutional selling intensified and the stocks came down, bringing the futures down to the levels where my targets were hit. I just want to show you briefly the live charts as well. Just a moment. So this is here at these levels yesterday. I said that the markets are likely I said that I would be looking for short signals, which basically implies that I think that market will be going down from here, and I gave targets. So S&P hit my target in today's trading, and there was another target for Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures, and this target was also hit today. And now what's happening at the moment is that Dow has found support at the moment in a rising trend channel. So obviously we don't know exactly how the market will move from here, but if this candle completes the way it is looking at the moment and we get follow through, then there is an increased possibility that the market will move yet again to test these highs. But let's go to today's market news now. So let's go back one. UK inflation came in higher than expected yesterday, 0.2 for the headline number and 0.9 for the core CPI number, but neither of these were enough to help cable through the 130 level, which I earlier said is a resistance that the market is unlikely to penetrate. So let's quickly take a look what the pound looks like at the moment. So here it is. It rallied into this 130 level, and if we go to the hourly chart, we can see that there was basically about to a move from 130 to 129. So very sizable move until the market then found support here, or attracted buyers at a support level is a better way of saying it. And now we have a move higher in the works. The market is struggling a bit with these recent levels here, but it's no surprise because we have the Bank of England meeting today, and we'll have highly important data coming out this afternoon European time on what's happening with cable or with the UK economy and interest rates. What else? We had weak retail sales data from the US, which obviously helped to the markets to move to our targets. The headline number was 0.6% and the core 0.7%. And this morning, New Zealand GDP was confirmed at slightly better levels than expected, while the Australian job market actually was doing much better than feared. Employment change of 111k plus, while the analyst expectation was a drop of 40,000 jobs there. Unemployment rate was 6.8% versus 7.7%. So very good numbers there, and we look forward to seeing how the currency market reacts to these news. New Zealand USD hasn't that much reacted. I mean, there's no massive positive move today. The market dropped a little bit. If we go to the hourly chart, we can see that the market came down a bit and is now moving higher together with euro. If we go to the euro chart here, let's see, it's better to start with a higher time frame. Couple of days ago, we had a lower high developed in Euro USD, and the market, as usual, after this sort of signal moves lower. It is now trading outside of this medium-term trend channel, but it still found buyers here at support, which is quite interesting that the buyers were still ready to defend this level. And if we look at the hourly chart, we can see how the market is rallying higher from that support now, and obviously lifting the other USD pairs at the same time. So here's what we have ahead for today. We have the BOE, official bank rate votes coming up. We have the monetary policy summary and the official bank rate itself. 0.1% is expected. And then we have some numbers on how they vote on QE package and the Canadian ADP non-farm unemployment changes coming up later on this afternoon, European time again, and the US Philly Fed manufacturing index with 15K expected. 15, there shouldn't be this K there. So I think it's the level of the manufacturing activity is measured there with this index. And the index is really in points of 2 digits, not the number or the letter K shouldn't be there. US unemployment claims, 125,000 new claims are expected. So yet another important number for the US economy coming up. So thank you for this. Look forward to the next videos and trade safe as usual. Give us a thumbs up. Follow us here in Facebook and share this video with your friends. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much.